Most sales reps get confused on who their target audience is going to be, what it is they're going to sell, who they're going to sell it to, so on and so forth. There's only 3 things you need to focus on: your skills, your experience, and your passion. If we figure out those 3 as salespeople, it's very easy to figure out who your IPO is going to be and what it is you're going to sell them and how you're going to deliver it. Assuming operations, sales, and marketing is in place, those are the 3 things you need, and that's what we're going to break down today. My name is Boz Verk. I run RevenueGrowth.io. We're a sales agency that builds and manages sales teams and processes for 7- and 8-figure businesses. And we also recently started partnering with sales reps to build sales agencies in different verticals so we can make a lot of money together. So if that's something you're interested in, DM me on one of my socials or send me an email. That being said, subscribe, like, share, all that good noise, and let's dive right in. All right. So the only 3 things you need to focus on are these 3 things here. All right. And this is a question I get time and time again as a sales rep. What do I offer? What do I offer? How do I build an offer? And this is, people who want to build an offer, not a sales agency, because most sales agency offers are going to be very similar. But this is 3 things you have to look at: your experience, your skills, and the problems you're able to solve, right? So number 1 is your experience, or you can call it passion, but you're going to find the passion based on the industries or niches you've been a part of, right? Ideally. Now, the 3 things you want to research is, number 1, that they're easy to find. Your target audience is easy to find. They're not, hiding under rocks, or they're not on any social media. They don't, believe in change, so on and so forth. Next, you want to look at their purchasing power. You don't want brokies as your target audience, right? And then your target addressable market needs to be over 30,000, meaning the people who are able to purchase your thing, that number of people needs to be at the minimum 30,000. Like, that's low, right? And as long as you have that, you combine that with whatever experience you've got in the past, you have your quote unquote passion. I'm passionate about money, but you're probably going to be your ideal avatar. Next, you focus on the skills you have. Number 1, your current skills, which is your past experience. If you've been in sales, you're trying to build a sales agency, that's what it is. And next, the skills that you're able to learn or you can acquire, right? So we can use me as an example. I already had the sales skills, right? I was a beast of a closer. I used to sometimes even set appointments for myself, but the skills I needed to build an actual scalable business was marketing, operations, lead gen, recruiting, all this stuff I had to acquire. I didn't have these skills. I didn't have skills to recruit someone. I didn't have the lead gen or operational skills or marketing skills. I had to learn them. And then I added to the sales, the skills that I already had, and my sales agency offer came to play, right? Next is more or less the problems you're able to solve. Again, clear and identifiable problem. There's a different video on this. I'll link it in the description. You have to make sure you're super clear on the problem you're about to solve, and you combine that with your skill set, which is, again, if you're trying to build a sales agency, sales is your skill set, and then acquired skill set. If you want to build a fractional management sales agency, managing is a skill set you need. If you're trying to build a lead gen agency, marketing is the skill set you need. If you're trying to build a sales recruiting and placement agency, recruiting is a skill set you need in networking, right? You combine all that, you have your solution. More or less, and this is very easy. That's why I'm going to keep this video short. Industries you're passionate about or you have experience in, ideally experience, passion is whatever. Skills you have or you can learn. Problems your market has and your old skills or your new skills can solve, and you will build your offer right there. It is not that hard. Again, I know a lot of people get stuck on trying to create this perfect offer, and it's not going to be perfect. Just take action and you'll be all right. Now, hopefully you got some sauce on this one. Go take some action. I'll see you on the next one.